In this video, I will show you how to reset your PS5 back to factory default settings as if it is brand new coming out of the box. Now this can be very necessary, especially if you want to resell your PS5 or you just want to start on a clean slate. And to achieve this, what you want to do is to just navigate to the settings icon at the top right corner of your PS5. Just go ahead and select that settings icon, and then you just want to scroll down until where you get to system settings over here. Go ahead and select it, and from the system settings over here, you want to scroll over to the right hand side and then just scroll downwards until you get to the reset option over here. Go ahead and select it, and from the reset option over here, you have the option to clear up your learning dictionary, which is basically the text that you've entered using your keyboard on your PS5 over time. And then you also have the option to reset default settings over here, which is basically just going to reset only the settings of your PS5 console. And then finally, you have the option to actually reset your console. And for this option, all of your data on your PS5, including your games and account details, will be deleted from your PS5 console. In this case, your PS5 is going to restart itself and come as though it is brand new out of the box. So finally, you want to press on the X button, and automatically, once you go ahead and click on reset, everything is going to reset on your PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.